Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. In a prior video I showed you how to set up your Ravencoin wallet on the Mac, and I just realized after ending that video I forgot to add on how to back up your wallet file and a couple other things you may want to do. So let's get on to it. So first thing I forgot is you want to encrypt your wallet. So with the Ravencoin wallet, I'll just minimize all this. Open, you can click on settings and then encrypt wallet and then give it a passcode. Once you give it a passcode, click OK. It's going to ask you to remember, because once you forget it, you don't have any Ravencoin. Click yes. And I recommend that you do this before you receive Ravencoins inside of this wallet, just to make sure you can get in. Like I would not receive 1,000 Ravencoin in this wallet and then encrypt it and then try to open it up. You want to be sure you can get into that wallet before there's any funds in there. So I'm going to click yes. And then it's going to close. So we're going to click OK for it to close. And then we're going to go and restart the wallet. So I'm going to click on the Launchpad and Ravencore. Let me just get this out of the way. Okay, so we can click hide again while it continues to sync. And we're going to see now if we click on file. Where is it? I guess we got to wait till it completely syncs up. But you can change the pass very easy. Actually, I guess yeah, this is not a staking coin, so we're not going to see to unlock it for staking only. Let's click on here. See down this here. So what that usually does is when you send transactions, you're going to have to unlock it. Right now, it's encrypted and locked. So here's another thing. Okay, besides encrypting your wallet, the next thing we also want to do is we want to back up the wallet. To back it up, we go to File, Backup, and then we can save this as a backup. I'm going to save this to the desktop so we can see it. And save. So this is our backup file for our Ravencoin wallet. Now, when you restore the wallet, you need to, say for instance, you have a new computer, you want to restore the wallet. You need to take this backup file and put it in the right directory. For the Mac, let's go, click on go to folder, and you want to type this tilde / library / application space support / Raven. This is where the wallet file is stored. So if you click go, you're going to see there's this wallet.dat. So if this was a new installation of the wallet, it would generate a new wallet. But what you'd want to do is you want to, so actually let's do this for the sake of demonstration. I'm going to close this. So I'm just going to open a quick note so you can see what I'm talking about here. So I'm going to, as you can see for this wallet, let's go to receiving addresses. These are our receiving addresses. I'm going to copy them. Actually, I'll just copy the first one so we can see. So I'm going to close this out, and then we're going to exit the wallet. And then I'm going to delete this wallet.dat file. Put it in the trash. Okay, so I'm going to go and restart Raven Qt wallet, and you're going to see that it's going to create a new wallet.dat file in here because there isn't one. So let's let it load. So you saw that it was created. So I'm going to click hide. If we look at this receiving addresses, you're going to see nothing. So I'm going to close this, and then we're going to exit the Raven core wallet. And then we're going to delete this. And then we're going to move our backup file into this folder. And then we're going to rename it wallet.dat. And then let us open our Raven core wallet again. And when we open it, we should see this address plus the others that I created, as this is a backup of that wallet. So we're going to hide, and we're going to go to File and Receiving Addresses. And as you can see, the wallet has been restored. Anyway, that is it for this video. Hope this helps for those who are looking into getting into Ravencoin. Thank you for watching.